Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sync your Shure QLXD4 wireless system. This process is straightforward and ensures your microphone and receiver communicate perfectly. We will cover the essential steps to get your system up and running quickly, providing clear and consistent audio for your needs. It only takes a few moments to achieve a strong, stable connection, giving you peace of mind during your performance or presentation. First, power on your QLXD4 receiver and make sure it is properly connected. Use the menu buttons to access the frequency scan function. The receiver will then search for and display available frequencies. Choose a clear channel from the list to ensure optimal performance and avoid any potential interference. This step is crucial for a stable wireless connection. Next, power on your Shure QLXD transmitter, whether it's a handheld microphone or a bota pack. Locate the small infrared, or IR, port on the transmitter. This port is essential for receiving the frequency information from the receiver. Make sure the transmitter's display is active and ready for the synchronization process to begin. Now, align the infrared ports of your receiver and transmitter, ensuring they are facing each other, typically within a few centimeters. Press the Sync button on the QLXD4 receiver. The frequency information will quickly transfer. Both devices will then display the same channel, confirming a successful synchronization. Your wireless system is now ready for use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.